Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you already have an admin role in Azure AD and Tenant Scope. This grants permission to issue Latch admin commands. Next, install and update Azure CLI if needed, then run as login to authenticate with your account. Once authenticated, make sure to set the subscription context with as account set subscription sub ID so subsequent Latch commands target the correct environment. This prevents accidental changes to other subscriptions and ensures commands execute against the intended resources. Now execute core Latch operations. List instances to identify the target, for example as Latch list resource group my.rg. Once you know the instance name, run as Latch update name my Latch set configuration. Enabled equals true to change settings. After changes, validate state by querying resource status and recent actions. Use as Latch show and Azure monitor activity logs. Make sure to include subscription or explicit resource group flags if working across multiple contexts, because the CLI uses the active subscription by default and can surprise you. Finish by validating the final configuration. Run as Latch show name my Latch and perform any connection or auth tests your application needs. If you must roll back, apply a previous configuration or run as Latch update to revert specific fields. If something goes wrong, gather the CLI output and error messages. Check Azure AD role assignments and subscription context, because most failures stem from permissions or wrong subscription. Then retry the exact command after fixing roles or context, and document the successful command for repeatability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.